Non-alcoholic punch is a real crowd pleaser. To give this delicious mocktail its tasty depth, we're using Caleño Dark Spicy, an alcohol-free alternative to rum. We're making 10 servings. To fill your own punch bowl, scale up the single-serving recipe listed beneath this video. Here's what you'll need. Caleño Dark Spicy non-alcoholic spirit, ginger cordial, pineapple juice, agave syrup, freshly squeezed lime juice, ice cubes, 2 limes sliced into rounds, 1 orange sliced into rounds, star anise. To start, half fill your punch bowl with ice cubes. Slowly pour your alcohol-free spirit over the ice. Use a double measure for each serving. Follow the spirit with pineapple juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, ginger cordial, and agave syrup. Then give it a good stir. If needed, top up with a little extra ice. Place lime and orange rounds on top of the punch. Add a few star anise.